Hello everybody. Today I want to talk about three sounds which are very confusing for a lot of students. The base sound is the S. So just the sound S. Then there's the Z sound Z, and the SH sound sh. So the first thing I want you to do is watch my lips. Z, S, sh. So the Z and the C have the same lip formation. The SH changes. Once again, Z, S, sh. Okay? This is the American style for these pronunciations. So let's look at the Z and the S first. So the S sound, S, S, it's a very clear sound. S. The tip of the tongue, the front part of the tongue, touches nothing. S, S. Now, when we change it to a Z, 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 what happens is the teeth become, we bite. The teeth go together. S, the teeth are not together. Z, the teeth are together. And put your hand right here at the crook of your throat where your chin comes into your throat. And if we do the S sound, S, S, there's no vibration, there's no movement. But when we do the Z sound, Z, Z, there's a lot of vibration. S, Z, S, Z. Very different, and that's the big difference. So, the tongue placement for the S and the Z are the same. The difference is the vibration of the throat. Okay, you can feel lots of vibration. Okay, so zoo, zoo. I'm saying this. Sue, Sue. A woman's name. Sue went to the zoo. Sue went to the zoo. Sue went to the zoo. You should be able to feel the difference. In America, these sounds are very different. Okay? Now let's go to the SH. Shh. So you see your lips come together in kind of an O. Shh, shh, s, shh. The S and the SH tongue placement will be the same. S, sh, s, sh. Now, actually what happens, the tongue is very relaxed. S, that's the S sound. Shh. And when we do the SH sound, the tongue curls slightly. What happens is the side of the tongue touches the teeth. So, S, S, no real contact. There's contact, but nothing emphasized. But, shh, shh. The tongue is using some muscle and it's kind of making a U shape. The tip of the tongue is the same. The tip of the tongue is the same, but the sides of the tongue for the SH, they're touching. For the S, it's just relaxed. S, sh, and of course the lip movement. So let's do Sue and shoe. Sue, shoe. No vibration. Shoe. Zero vibration. The only vibration is up here. So I'll make a vibration, clear, clear. Okay? The tongue is going to be relaxed, relaxed, and kind of a U shape. Okay? Touching the sides of the mouth. Okay? Does that make sense? I hope so. Zoo, Sue, shoe. Zoo, Sue, shoe. Okay? So you need to practice these differences a lot. So hopefully when I say the sounds, you can hear the difference. But the important thing is when you say the sounds, can I hear the difference? That's the important thing. And this takes lots of practice for some people. Okay? So if you want, if you can make a recording, you can attach that video, attach the file. You can make an MP3. YouTube allows you to upload an MP3 if you make a background picture. So I don't know how to do it. You figure it out. But if you upload that sound, that very short recording, all I want is zoo, su, shoo. If you upload that, I'll say good, bad, terrible, wonderful, excellent, horrible. I'll be honest, okay? But you need to practice. Now, one thing I don't like about teaching words is sometimes in a sentence the sounds change, okay? So these sounds are strong sounds, so we usually pronounce them as they are. But sometimes they do change, and the best way to see how the sounds change is to go to my daily dictation channel, www.youtube.com/dailydictation. And in that class, we talk about real pronunciation and how Americans say sentences, okay? Of course, I also want you to join Daily Dictation members. But you have to pay for that site. But that's a class where we really talk a lot about pronunciation. You need to practice. You need to practice listening to the sounds, forming the sounds, and perfecting the sounds. Okay? So I'm going to give you a couple of sentences so that you can listen and practice with, and that's it. Now, this is a very important lesson. I have another lesson on the CH and the J. Okay, so CH and J are also confusing sounds. Look for that video on this channel and compare. Okay? Good luck. Susie sells seashells. Susie sells seashells. Susie sells seashells. Shane's cell phones broke. Shane's cell phones broke. The zoo's seals eat sugar. The zoo's seals eat sugar.